Hello guys, what's up? So I have here our daily combo in Hamster Combat, daily combo in Hamster, and daily combo on James Oi. So I have here our daily combo in our pixel is this. Our cat. This is the daily combo on our pixel. The second is daily clipper or daily code of hamster. This is our daily code on hamster. DeFi. The name is DeFi. This is the code. Okay, long dot dot. And third, this is the daily combo of James Oy. UPS backup, UX designer, consequences, conference. Okay. And also we have here our daily combo. Our hamster combat games, GameFi token, margin trading and training bot. And this is the daily combo of our secret combo of MemeFI coin. 1 2 dot dot, and have here a video 1 dot 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 dot. Okay, do you have, if you go and you get it 100 2000 secret combo. Okay, so thank you guys to subscribe my YouTube channel so more update.